Hello, very good morning to you all. And now the time now is 9 a.m. here from Malaysia. And supposedly this session is going to be an interview session. And my bad, I kind of messed up the schedule. It's supposed to be tomorrow and not today. So Osborne is not going to join us today because he's not free, definitely. And eventually, since this session is already live right now, so might as well let's just have a casual chat. And whoever that able to join me right now on live, just drop me a comment, and also you can ask any questions that you would like to know about crypto trading. And at the very same time, while waiting for the rest of you to join in this live session, for those of you who are watching this live from YouTube and you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel and activate the bell button so that you don't miss out any important information. Okay. And for those of you who are watching this on Facebook group and also on LinkedIn page, a very good morning to all of you. And today, what we are going to do here is that we are going to talk about an update on Bitcoin price and also what are the things that we need to take note of. Okay. And for those of you who have just joined in, very good morning to you. Just drop me a comment. This is going to be, it has changed since then, since I messed up the schedule. It's supposed to be tomorrow and not today. All right, so tomorrow at the very same time at 9 o'clock and Malaysian time, we are going to have another live session, which is again, it's tomorrow, all right, not today. We are going to have this very exclusive interview together with Osborne, and where he is the one of our top performer in our meta trading strategy course right now for this week. And we would like to know what he had done differently that brought him this massive profits that he has been posting every single day on the Facebook group, the Crypto Lab Facebook group. Hi, good morning to you, man. And I sorry I can't see your name right now because you need to give permission to StreamYard to display your name if you are using this for the very first time. Okay. Anyhow, very good morning to you. Thank you very much for dropping by. And this session is going to be an Ask Me Anything session. While waiting for the rest of you guys to join in this live session, I'll be giving you some update on Bitcoin price and also what is going to be our next anticipation since my last live session. Okay, so it's supposed to be an interview, an exclusive interview together with Osborne, where our top performer of the week in the meta trading strategy course, and we would like to know what he had done differently, and probably it might actually inspire some of you to take up this crypto trading journey, all right, together with us. And yesterday, what happened was I was having this very short lunch catch up with my ex colleagues, a few of them. As you see in my Facebook post, we are having this very interesting topic about some of the things that actually happens previously in the office, and also what are the recent happening right now in the market. And so happen we came across this cryptocurrency topic. Then I'll be sharing together with them what is going to be the future of cryptocurrency and what is going to be our expectation. Okay. And hey, hi, Jonas. Hi, welcome, welcome. Thank you very much for joining. Very good morning to you, and welcome to the session. You can ask me any question if you like. And also, this has been since then changed to an Ask Me Anything session rather than an exclusive interview together with Osborne. Okay, so I would like to know as well what you've done differently. Okay, maybe you can give a tips or two, but it's going to happen tomorrow. Okay, so it's going to happen tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning, Malaysian time, where he's going to share with us and his experience and also his journey in cryptocurrency trading, how he started, and probably, hopefully, maybe through his experience and journey right here, will be given some inspiration for some of us to take up this cryptocurrency trading. Okay, so before we, while we're waiting for the rest of us to join this live session, so let's have a quick chat. And also, you can just drop me any questions you'd like to talk about. And I'm going to talk about some topic that we shared yesterday in my very quick catch up lunch with my ex colleagues. Okay. And we're talking about cryptocurrency, what is going to be the next futures, and what we are going to anticipate. And just for your information, if you are already in the crypto space, you might have heard this term called the metaverse. Okay. And for those of you guys who know me personally, I am a corporate trainer. So I give corporate training in the areas of soft skills. And also at the very same time, I teach martial art as well. I'm also a martial artist. I teach Wing Chun Kung Fu and also YSG at the very same time. So when talk about this metaverse, okay, metaverse as we all understood, and of course it is not really 100% being launched per se, but of course it's there, and cryptocurrency being just a very small fraction of the whole ecosystem of metaverse. And I would like every one of you to just pay very close attention to this topic called metaverse right here. And ever since blockchain has been invented, then we have cryptocurrency, of course, and which brought us this opportunity for us to create a second source of income through trading cryptocurrency, and also another form of investment, another diversification of investment, rather than our usual or regular investment that you might have just heard in market. We call it as the outdated way of investing. Okay, of course, for those of big investors out there, when you have like big capital, you can consider to invest in property, you can invest in stocks, you can invest in gold, you can bought anything that you keep, collectibles and stuff like that. Then you can sell it off and you make your profits, right? So ever since blockchain technology has been invented, beautiful things happen, such as cryptocurrency. So it gives us an opportunity for us, which is the small player in the crypto market, to be able to create another source of income for those of you who would like to create a passive income source, and also would like to create another opportunity for you to make more money from the market through trading cryptocurrency. Okay, now I'm going to talk about a little bit about metaverse since we are here. um, Someone's asking me, what is the return for last month's copy trade? Now, to be honest with you guys, I am not focusing on copy trade that much, because my focus right here is to help you and also to educate people about cryptocurrency trading. And that is not my focus. And since the last previous update, I think since last month, I don't really activate that much, because copy trade and also my regular trading account is going to be a two separate things. So I don't really put much on the copy trading, because there's not many people there as well. And I've been telling people that don't copy my trade for now, because that is not my focus. And copy trading, you are going to pay all those master trader for their fees of the profits. Okay, so why you would like to pay fees for someone that you do not know? And of course, eventually for those traders, especially like my account, which I don't really focus on, you might lose money as well, to be very honest with you. So when you come to copy trading, right, it is something that you can't really control, okay, that much, and I don't like that. So personally, I won't encourage you to go for copy trading. If you would like to really make money from the cryptocurrency trading, go learn these lifelong skills of trading yourself and trade yourself. And if you need support, if you need help, let me know so that I can see that which area that I can come to help, because that is what the course is all about. That is what I'm here is all about, is to give education to the public about cryptocurrency trading, and not only just copy blindly, because when you just copy trade, basically you learn nothing. And personally and ethically, I don't kind of like buy in the idea of copy trading that much. That's why I'm not focusing on that at all. Okay, so ever since the launch, yeah, I've been telling people that hey, you can actually copy my trade. But eventually, after that, when I tried for the first few days, I don't really feel good about this, because if I am the one who is copy trading other people trade, I don't have much control over it. And it's basically depending on the master trader on which are the pair of coins that you wanted to trade. And yeah, it is just going to like that. But of course, if you would like to take that risk to copy my trade, you can go ahead, of course. Okay, there's no restriction on that. But if personally, if you ask me, I won't encourage anyone to copy my trade, because that is not my focus at this moment. Okay, so yeah, for those of you who would like to consider to start cryptocurrency trading, it is not true copy trading. Okay, because why? I've started that way. Okay, just to be honest with you, I started that way as a crypto a currency trader, as a copy trader. So I copy people's trade. Basically, how do I start? Okay, let's just backtrack a little bit before we go to the metaverse topic again. Backtrack a few years back when I started on this trading journey, not only cryptocurrency trading journey. A few of those, I already mentioned this before. I started with forex trading, and why I don't do forex anymore. Okay, and when I started forex trading that time, I was using bot trading. And basically, that is an AI technology of bot trading, which is sounds like so wow, tech savvy. I love tech stuff, you see. So when you talk about wow, AI strategy or AI trading bot, which practically I don't need to do anything. I just need to place my money there with a bit of tweak and setup on a weekly basis because the programmer of this bot will actually update us on a weekly basis. Now, this week markets like this, we need to use this particular settings. You need to use this particular bot for you to be able to run those trades. Okay, so I did that. All right. So I did that for a couple of months because I need to pay maintenance fee, not only for the bot that I'm currently using, and it's not cheap. Okay, to rent and to use that bot is not cheap itself. And for me to make money out from the trade, of course, you need to allocate some funds for you to place in the trade, in the wallet, okay, in the broker, because Forex, we are going to use broker, right? Unlike cryptocurrency trading, which is direct in the exchange. So when you come to Forex trading, I need to place my fund in the broker and I need to pay for this bot as well to rent the bot in order for the bot to run. And in order for the bot to run, I need to do a weekly setup so it can run automatically for me. And basically, I have no control at all to any pairs of currency that the bot chooses to trade. Anything that actually falls under the criteria of the setup, the bot will actually trade it for me. Any take profit or stop loss or whatever not, a cut loss, it will actually do it automatically for me. So what happened was here, and I was like looking at the phone most of the time because I'm curious to know, right, how does this thing work? Because according to the bot developer himself, the group itself, they say that from the idea of compounding the interest, it was massive, 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 crazy. I never seen that amount of money before, but that is as per claim. But when I really go into that and use that bot, it doesn't really give me that kinds of vibes at all. Okay, so for the first few weeks, whenever I open up that the apps on MT4 because it's linked to MT4, so my MT4 always looks red, and I don't know why because like when you talk about like bot trading, it's supposed to be automated, right? So with least monitoring, yes, least monitoring, but each and every time when they open up the MT4, it was on red, it wasn't drawdown. So I was like questioning this developer, how does this thing happen? So is there anything that I can do? Because there are times where I can see some profits, small profits while they're running, and it doesn't close the trade because it hasn't reached to the range of take profit yet, so it won't close the trade. And I eventually, from a small profit to a running drawdown all the way until it cut loss, so eventually I lost money in there. Okay, so I was like a bit frustrated, and eventually I came across this Pionex platform, not platform, it's an exchange itself. Now, Pionex exchange is something like the exchanges that we're currently using, like Bybit or Binance or whatever exchange was that. So Pionex was actually the exchange that introduces me to a bot trading of cryptocurrency. You see, like the ideas of trading or the ideas of investment in general, we would like to buy low and sell high. And the question here is that when it was a low, we don't know, okay, when it was low and when it's considered high that we need to sell, we won't know as well. So that is going to be the challenge. When I encountered Pionex, it was awesome because they have this grid bot trading in built in the exchange itself. So that kind of like gives me an idea to start cryptocurrency trading. and I started to use a Pioneer as a trading bot. Okay, so you use this grid trading bot, you place in your money there, then you set up your grids. So whichever price actions that it touches those grids that I have set, it will automatically place in the trade for me. And when it reach to the next grid, it will sell it off for me. So when it drop down, it will keep on buying, drop down again to another grid, it keep on buying. I managed to make some money over there, but it was not impressive. Okay, it is not anything near to what you are seeing in the Crypto Lab Facebook group results or on my Facebook page that I've been posting every single day, fresh new trades every single day with those kind of amount or that rate of profits, nothing near to that. So at that point of time, I was like quite happy with the results that has been brought by Pionex. But eventually, after that, I wanted to get more because when I see those high achievers in the crypto market, young guy like what 17, 18 years old managed to made it like to it was incredible. Okay, so I saw people did that way, but I was like questioning like, will I be able to reach to that stage if I keep on doing what I'm currently doing right now with Pionex at the time? And eventually it doesn't give me that kind of positive projection to what I wanted to achieve. So eventually I look for more options. Okay, that is where I found out Luno, which is another exchange, and it is regulated in Malaysia. Okay, and just for your information, when you talk about regulations right here, most of these exchanges that offers derivatives of futures tradings do not have that rights to get the regulation in any country when they talk about derivatives trading or futures trading. Okay, spot trading, yes, you will have those exchanges which is regulated for you to do spot trading, such as Luno, okay, or maybe like a Bybit or whatever not. Spot trading, yes, but not derivatives trading. So that's the trick right here. So when people talk about our exchange is regulated, ask them this, whether is it your spot trading has been regulated or derivatives trading. Okay, so most likely they will tell you that well, it is only on spot trading. We don't offer derivatives trading. We don't offer marginated leverage or even futures trading because leverage trading or marginal trading, like futures or derivatives, cannot get any regulations in any places at all. So please be mindful of that. Okay. So what happened was after Pinex, I came across Luno, and during Luno, it was on a bull run. The market is on a bull run. I kind of make quite a substantial amount from trading XRP at that time before the SEC case happened on XRP a few years back. And I managed to have that. And so happened that I even created the formula for me to trade spot trading by using Luno. And from there, what happens, Luno, I still remember that time we only have like four coins for me to play around, which is a Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and LTC. That's the only four. And until recently, I think they have added on quite a number of other coins as well, such as like Cardano, Solana, and also a few of them. But all of those are only spot trading, which means that you can buy those coins and keep, and you need to wait until they appreciate, you sell it off, then you profit. But what happens when it drops down? What happens on drawdown? What happens on the bear run? Then crap, you need to probably hold that until it managed to break even or even make some profits from there before you can even sell. But the question here is that whether the price will get back to break even or will it be able to gain profits from there, we don't know yet again. Okay, so what happened was after Pionex, then I moved on to Luno, and after Luno, I am kind of like to the extent of I wanted to understand more about manual trading because I've experienced bot trading before. I experienced a little bit of cryptocurrency before. I wanted to know more about forex trading. I mean, trading in general, the skills of trading. What are the criteria to place a trade? How to place a trade? When can I collect profit? Because if people can make it out there, I should be able to, have a little bit of idea of what actually they are doing at the back. So I ended up taking up courses from all these gurus out there, and I paid for all these courses to learn forex trading. And when I started to learn forex trading, of course, the guru, I don't want to reveal what's the name, he teaches us an quite an interesting idea of trading forex that time. Okay, and apparently this formula or strategy that has been using works pretty well. Okay, so I've been using that to trade forex, and eventually, after a few months of trading forex, I found out there's another challenge that I'm facing because I'm from Malaysia, so the market opening hours, the US market, UK market, Japan market, whatever not, the market opening hours for forex trading, it is actually my 2 a.m. until 4 a.m. The overlapping area of the 2 hours is the golden time for traders, especially forex, to have the most volatility in the market. So that is going to be the best time, but it is actually midnight right here. So I can't afford to wake up during the midnight and just trade like that, right? So that was one challenge. And eventually, when you reach to the weekend, I can't trade again because there was no market opening. Saturday, Sunday, the market was closed. So I can't trade during the weekend. And when it comes to market opening on Monday, every trader notice it is not advisable to trade on Monday. Not to say you can't, but it's not advisable because investor will place or put their funds in the market. So there'll be some volatility happens during Monday. And the same goes to Friday as well, because the investors do not want to place their funds in the market. They would like to just withdraw it out. Again, there's another volatility will happens in the market. So when those volatility happens on Monday and Friday, so literally in the one whole week of the 7 days, effectively, I can only trade on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So it is only 3 days. Imagine on Thursday, you are having a drawdown, hoping that you are going to manage to break even at least on the very next day. Unfortunately, on Friday, volatility is going to happen there, and it might actually cause you to trade emotionally because you are seeing drawdown on your in your account. So that kind of like gives me a creep that wow, in 1 week time I can only trade like 3 days effectively, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And how long should I take in order for me to reach to the destination or to the target that I would like to achieve? And which apparently it doesn't give me that kind of like good vibes, okay, trading forex. So eventually I kind of like put aside on that trading forex and I don't do anything since then. And eventually I kind of recall, hey, you know what? A few months back, I've been doing trading on Luno. Okay. But what if I have the same ideology and use it into crypto trading? And at that time, I do not know how to place a trade. I mean, derivatives trade on crypto yet, because I don't know. I haven't came across any exchanges that allows me to do that, except for Pionex and also Luno, which is only offers spot trading. So eventually, I search and search and search. I managed to find some a local guru which teaches cryptocurrency trading. So I said, wow, okay, this is going to be the time, and I wanted to give it a try. Okay, I signed up for the course, I joined the course, and I've learned the strategy that this guru thought. But so what happened was, it is a norm in the market. Okay, so for those of you who are watching this, it is a norm in the market for any guru to teach their strategy to the students. Okay, and it is a norm in the market as well. This strategy that they claim will work for them, it is only a very fundamental strategy because with the intention you are going to upgrade your package to another higher level package, which they claim they are going to give you extra. But unfortunately, it was not as promising as it sounds. Okay. So I joined a very fundamental level and I learned about cryptocurrency trading at that time by using Binance and Huobi that time. So I've yet to try that. So I get an idea, a grasp about cryptocurrency trading, especially derivatives that gives us massive profit. So, okay, that's how I started. Okay. So when I started with that, I've been using that strategy that has been learned from this local guru of cryptocurrency trading. So I've used that for a couple of months and it works okay until when it reaches to bear market. When before really bear market that much, it was like really volatile. So I kind of like, I found out that that strategy, it doesn't work during that time. So it gives me a knock in the head, like what has actually gone wrong, which for the past few months from the track record, I've been doing quite okay with that strategy. But what goes wrong now when I apply the same strategy, it doesn't really work that well anymore. So what goes wrong? And eventually, when I found out that that was not the only strategy that are able to be used. But there are a lot more things that we can do when it comes to cryptocurrency trading. One thing that you always need to remember when it comes to cryptocurrency trading, you need to be really agile. You cannot only use only one direction or one strategy against the rest of the market condition. You need to base on market condition. As always, people say that trend is king. Trend is our friend. You need to always trade along with the trend and not against it. But the challenge here is that how do we know that determining a trend is already a challenge? But how do we know that when should we change the methods of trading? When should we change the strategy that we are currently using? Say, for example, last 2 nights ago, there was a massive dip in the market. And for those of you who trade, you will know that, okay? And for those of you who has been following me all this while, you saw that as well. For the past 2 days ago, there was this massive dip. There was a massive downfall from the crypto market where I managed to grab like at least like 400% on Bitcoin itself. Okay, we of course, for those of you who have been seeing what I've been posting, I will not only trade one pair of coins, I will trade multiple coins, a lot of them. So to be precise, 12. Okay, so I have like 12 running trades. Yeah, especially even right now, I have like 12 running trades. So I managed to grab like at least like 400% of profits on a short position. And of course, coupled with the Ethereum and some other trades as well. Refer to my post on Facebook, you should be able to know. That was just last 2 days ago. And last night, okay, because of that drop yesterday for the whole day, it doesn't really move that much, but I managed to just scalp a few here and there, especially like this trade on apes. Okay. Okay, this ape trade, okay, APE, this was like awesome yesterday because the market was not really moving that much. So I placed a conditional trade on ape. And this ape started with giving me 100% of profit. So I was like quite happy with it. I'm posting the group. Later, I think I will probably make this as another Facebook post after this live session right here. I managed to reach like almost like 100%. Okay, so I posted on the Facebook group. So as usual, I will mostly highlight any movement of the market in our closed Telegram group for all our MTS members. So I say that it has been moving. Okay, then a few minutes later, as I check on my phone again, wow, it has reached up to 200%. So I screenshot that and share it to the group again. It has moved since then to 200%. And a few minutes later, it goes up to like 300, 400, 500. So I say that, okay, and I tell you what, I'm going to post each and every 100% of increment to the group. Okay, so later after this live session, I'm going to screenshot this posting that I made in the Telegram group. You check it out yourself how fast this ape coin moved just yesterday itself. Okay, only ape coin, all right. So yeah, it managed to reach until like 600 over percent, and that I think it doesn't really takes more than like what 2 hours. It reached until 600%, then eventually fall down. But of course, I've already collected profit when it reached to that 600%. And just because of after the ape trade, ape trade, there is not much of a movement in the market, right? So I don't literally have many coins that's running. I only have like I think 2 coins that I've been keeping, which is I think the Kava trade and the other one was I forgot which is another short trade. Was it? Wait, what was that again? Crap, I can't remember what is the another short. There's another short, but anyway, so there was only two trades that is running yesterday, and there was not many of them, unless like a short scalping here and there for a few 100%. Managed to do that as well. So just last night itself, after the downfall, which is like crazy, last 2 days ago, yesterday not much of movement. Last night itself, now it's 9:32 a.m. So I wake up at in early morning, as early as 7 a.m. and I check on my phone. There are 12 running trades that has been triggered during when I was sleeping, and Bitcoin, one of it has reached up to 400 over percent, and Ethereum has reached until like 200 over percent. The rest of it is still in running, is in the trade 100%, 80%, 40%, is still triggered and running in profit. So now what I'm trying to say here is that you cannot use only one strategy to trade to the multiple different market conditions that is available, and it's changing very quickly. It's like fast, within like minutes, within like hours, the market condition will change, and you need to be really agile of applying your strategy. And that gives me an idea of creating the meta trading strategy course, which I don't only teach you one strategy, but I give you an option up to 17 different strategies that you can use in order for you to pick and choose whichever strategy that you feel comfortable using it, because people or human beings are very selective. You want options to yourself. You do not want to lock to a limitation. Can only use this method to trade. People want options. So this is what I've been offering to the public. I give you 17 different strategies. So you can choose which strategy that you would like to use in the different market conditions. Just like yesterday, I was asleep. I do not know what is going to happen when I woke up on the next day. And eventually, all the 12 trades has been running concurrently, and Bitcoin has already fetched me like 400 over percent of profits, which is like massive, right? So how can it be any tougher than making money during your sleep? Okay, by just pressing a button before you sleep and you wake up and collecting profit. How I can't think of anything that is easier than that. All right. So from here, I would like to just share with you guys the main framework of this meta trading strategy course, which I think it is going to be helpful, and also it's inspiring as well. Okay, now 3 step. Okay, just remember this 3 step. Any strategy that you're currently using in the MTS course is fine. Any strategy that you're currently applying it to your trade, or you have just came across or learned from the crypto market, it's fine. Okay. Any strategy that you are currently using, just apply these 3 steps. Remember these 3 steps. The first step, back test your strategy. Always back test your strategy, not only one time, not only two, not only three, not four, five, six, 10. You don't apply a strategy that you just pluck out in the air. You don't apply something that is new to you, because you need to train your eyes to the extent that the strategy is just a snap of a finger. It's just like that. You'll be able to use that. You need to reach to that stage. And in order for you to reach to that stage, you need to have these skills of proficiency. In order for you to have this proficiency in it, you need to train until you reach to that level. And my recommendation is that for each and every strategy, especially in the MTS course, you need to do at least like 100 times of back testing for that particular strategy. All right. Once you've been able to do that, and you will kind of like gives you an understanding what are the percentage that this strategy will give you when you apply as a real trade, not only paper trading on back testing. Okay. So the very first step here is that backtest your strategy. Okay, that's the bottom line. You need to backtest. Once you have backtest, the second step here is that place your trade, because there's no point you only do backtest because money won't comes in, right? You need to start to place a trade. You don't need to place a big amount for you to trade. Start small first. Always start small, because this is all about training. Okay, the 3 steps here is all about backtest your strategy, place your trade, and the last step here is to repeat the first two steps. Okay, you cannot just stop right there, because literally when you stop doing anything, you're not getting anything as well, right? Just, it doesn't make sense for you to like hoping that the money will drop from the air. Of course, come on, we are living in a world that if you don't place your effort, you don't put your effort into something, nothing will happen. You just need to go and do it. So what you need to do, back test the strategy, place that trade, and repeat the above. Okay, so after all, what we are currently having in the MTS course, it is all about learning. It's a learning curve, it's a learning journey before you can earn. So I take this from my previous company, the tagline called Learn, Earn, and Grow, the Lake principle, which is apparently it applies very well into our crypto lab, which is the MTS course. Because eventually, before you can earn money from the market, you need to learn first what you need to do. Okay. From that learning, only you'll be able to earn. From that earning, then only you will be able to grow. So, in order for you to move, you need legs, right? LEG stands for learn, earn, and grow. That's the whole concept. That's the whole idea of the MTS course. So, I'm not here to tell you what to buy. I'm not here to tell you what to do. But the efforts and initiative needs to come from you, because if you don't want it bad enough, there's nothing much I can do. And I do have quite a number of people who sign up for the course and did nothing as well. So when you do nothing, you get nothing basically. Okay, so you just need to start at some point somewhere where you need to start with something. So how do you start? Always, again, that three step, let me just repeat that again. Back test the strategy, place that trade, and repeat the above. That's how you gain that. Okay, so it's just like myself as well. I never stopped trading, even though when I was sleeping, I can't, of course, I can't place any market trade. I would just set up and also place all the conditional trade, and as you wake up, if the trade triggered, which is good. If it's not, then it's fine, you're not losing anything as well. So as long as you do something, okay, as long as you place a trade, yes, you win some, you lose some too. But the ideas of trading is that you don't place a trade when you have confirmation. So your setup has to be based from the strategy, and that strategy will give you the confirmation of entry. And you don't really just go and simply just place all the conditional trades without having any fundamental understanding whether the trade will actually goes there. You wanted to do a lot of analysis for that coins for you to be able to understand where it's going to be the next price projection will be, and what you're going to do and what you're going to anticipate from there. Okay, so yeah, let me just repeat very quickly. The main three frameworks here, right here, is going to be backtest, trade, and repeat the above. All right, so hopefully this one will help you guys to kickstart with something. So in any stages at all, if you find that you are stuck somewhere at some point, please do not hesitate to send me a message. I'm here to help you guys. Okay, so my mission right here at this short-term mission, I wanted to inspire at least 1,000 people to adapt to cryptocurrency trading and make it in there. Okay, so that is going to be my mission statement, and hopefully I'll be able to serve for those of you who need to create this second source of income, or who wanted to make money from cryptocurrency trading. And I'm here to provide you with that kind of knowledge so you can translate that knowledge into the skills that you need in order for you to make all this money from the crypto market. Okay, so yep, I guess that's it for today, guys. And my apology for mixing up the schedule. Supposed to be, this is a live interview together with Osborne, but it's actually tomorrow. My bad on that. So I'm just take this opportunity since I'm already live. So I'm going to talk about some any questions. So if you guys have any question at all, you can just drop down in the comment sections, and I will just apply and reply to that. If you are here watching me live, you can also drop down some messages right here. I can attend to that. If not, if you're watching this on the replay, you can also drop down any question in the comment sections, and also I'll be replying from there as well. Okay, so for those of you who would like to kickstart your journey in trading, okay, find the link to register for your free Bybit account in the description area right here, and you can start your trading from there. And for those of you who are watching this from the Crypto Lab Facebook group, go to guide number 2 for those of you who are new and who haven't started trading yet. go to guide number 2. There's this 4 hours live training videos that has been recorded during my birthday that day, and it is there for you guys to teach you guys on a step-by-step basis how you can start your trading journey. Okay, and you don't need to pay anything from there. It is free of charge. This is my gift to all of you. Okay, so go to the Crypto Lab Facebook group, guide number 2. Check out the 4 hours video, the recorded video live there. And yeah, you can start, just go from there. So any question, just do not hesitate to reach out to me. And of course, for those of you who would like to learn the super strategy, I got it, my favorite one, it was strategy 3. Okay, in the meta trading strategy course, also look for the description in the link in the description area of this video, and you can sign up for the meta trading strategy course right there. So again, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to just send me a message and have a chat. Okay, so I guess that's it for today, and I'm going to see you again tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning in Malaysian time for this live exclusive interview with Osborne, and let's have a chat together with him, shall we? Okay, so that's going to take place tomorrow. So make sure you don't miss out tomorrow's session at 9 o'clock in the morning Malaysian time. All right, so I'm going to see you tomorrow then. Until then, have a good day ahead. Bye.